Thank you, Casey, for the wonderful opportunities. From my home studio, you see this across this apartment, a little bit far here, you see this harbor, that hills is Malaysia, Johor Bahru. Here, I wanted to discuss this playground. This playground is been inactive last 2 years. I used to play every day here. It's I used to come, in the middle of the night. If you don't feel sleepy, I come down, I lie down and I look at the stars, look at the full moon. I'm learning the skateboard. I see all the time, Casey and Matt, Pete. These guys all the time go on longboard, the powerful skating. I'm excited to try the skateboard. I learn kayaking just because I just want to get an experience so that I can put it in filmmaking and storytelling. Learning skateboard is the same way. Going climbing is the same way. So, being a filmmaker, it's a really interesting to learn. You get motivated. In fact, you try yourself. Yeah, it's a really good feeling. Why I joined in Casey filmmaking process? He's very open-minded, and he's very flexible in terms of approaching the ideas. Like, I have a lot of ideas, but I don't know how to execute it. I'm confused. Maybe I'm overthinking. Definitely, I'm going to have a great time. Definitely, I'm looking forward. I'm excited to meet new friends. Singapore still we wear mask. We cannot go outside without the mask. This is the food court I used to sit. I think I'm shy. This is the first time I'm shooting in the food court. This is in Singapore they say teh wo. It's a black tea, no sugar. The fine refreshment. So I come every day to get inspired, to get some idea, to read. Whatever things I come here and I sit. This food court is open for 24 hours. Yes, I'm enjoying. Two ideas. One, there is a Sembawang beach. From my home is only 3 to 4 kilometer distance. The spontaneous idea for me is that one is the playground, which has been inactive for last 2 years. The second is that Sembawang beach, where I stay nearby, and there is a lot of history in it. And the third thing is the food court is open 24 hours. You just stone throw away distance. These are the spontaneous idea I'm thinking about. My name is SARVA. I stay in Singapore last 10 years. I was a graphic designer where I was working in India. Once I moved to Singapore, then I started working in a post-production site. Slowly I started getting into shoot and the sound, and I was involved in a small shoot. Then later I was doing event, so I shoot and hire one more cameraman. We shoot and I edit, and I did my job. But after COVID-19, my all clients has no job, so I have no job. So I took cycling, I learned kayaking, then I've been introduced to new kayakers group. So since I know the filmmaking, so I took my camera, then I started taking my phone, then I started shooting and people liked it. I started my a YouTube channel. I made few videos based on this kayaking experience. Then I enrolled in Casey monthly. 1 month experience will definitely help me to improvise my filmmaking. Casey, you are really very, I'm inspired a lot. Your spontaneous idea, I watched your Nike video, really, I really like it. I joined with Casey in the filmmaking workshop. There is a link in the description. If you guys want to, you can join with him. Spontaneous idea, how I'm going to develop further to, in terms of storytelling, to make a 2 to 3 minute short film out of it. It can be anything. So stay tuned.